Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Iron Clad Wreath knot. We had the Iron Wreath, now we have the Iron Clad. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. I'm going to come over, going to put in a fold, make sure my tie is good. Put in a fold, fold it in half, bring it over to the center, up and over like this. I'm going to do a few Boris Mocha moves. Come over like this, come across like this. Actually, I'm just going to put that one down because it's not cooperating. We'll make that easy for you. Then move the way I want it to move. Here we have, let's do this again. Just kind of fold it in half like that. Bring it down. Come across, do the same thing. There we go. Now it's working. So that's what we have so far. So here comes the wreath. I'm going to go through the top one here. And do another wreath. And come through this top one here. Open it up a bit. Let me put my collar down. Get rid of this. And there you have the Iron Clad Wreath. Again, to see the picture of this, go to Instagram, Simmonsessentials. You'll catch it and all the other ones. On your own side, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Catch you in the next episode.